Hi everybody. It is the 4th day of this Christmas countdown ornament making playlist. So today, my movie suggestion, I'll start off with A Charlie Brown Christmas. I'm sure you all love it. The song suggestion is Christmas Time Is Here. I'll put in the description where you can watch the movie and also listen to the song on YouTube. But also, if you're like me, you still have VHS tapes. This isn't a Charlie Brown Christmas. It's Christmas Time Again, Charlie Brown. I love it. My mother bought this for us when we were kids, and I still have it, and I have a VHS player, so I'm going to play this as well during Christmas time. Today, I made, in honor of Charlie Brown Christmas, I made a Christmas tree ornament. This is what it looks like. And here is my version. This came out so cute. See it? It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but the video shows it's big. I'm using scrap yarn. Also, if you're following along or you're making ornaments, I love that I have so much scrap yarn so I can do different colors. These ornaments don't require a whole lot of yarn. So, yep, I'm going to put this on my tree. I'm using one of the hooks I bought from Walmart, and I'm just going to put this on. Let's see. This is big too. Oh, I didn't even light up the tree today. That's huge. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So for our countdown, our little chocolate, day 4 is right here. Yep. The little Kinder egg. I watered the plant today. Hopefully she'll last all December. Let's see. And the 4th day on this calendar. Oh, it's a little, it looks cute. I like this little, oh, I might have dropped it, but I like this little box. And what's inside is already fallen out. So this is what inside. I guess this is the same as yesterday, but let's see what the description says. It says black yarn darners, size is 14/18, 5 matte black steel needles with long eyes and sharp points, ideal for darning and mending, not nickel plated. So yesterday was wool needles, today are darning needles. So I got this today. So yeah. So that's for today. That's day 4. If you're making any ornaments and want to send them to me so I can share them, my email address is theslowcrocheter@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to share them in a video. All right, I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Bye.